print on demand. And how this method works is you don't need a website. You will go into some kind of print of demand website, and the website is already created for you. You don't have to pay to use it. All you have to do is register in a website, Printify, which is the one I personally use. And what you have to do is you can either pay someone to create a design of a shirt for you, or you can create them yourself. And if you want to create them yourself, it's pretty easy. You don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is go to canva.com, type in print on demand t-shirt on the search bar, and you're going to be able to see many t-shirt designs that you can download, put on a t-shirt on Printify, and start selling it for free. After you have your logo, after you have your designs, all you have to do is go to Printify, create an account. After you create your account on Printify, they're going to ask you to upload your logo to the website. After you do that, you're going to choose what kind of clothes you're going to be selling. You're going to sell hoodies, you're going to sell t-shirts, caps, what do you want to sell? After you chose that, you're going to sell the products and you don't have to buy them up front. Printify actually keeps the stock, and all you have to do is make a sale. And every time you make a sale, let's say the t-shirt on Printify with no design on it costs 10 bucks and you sell it for 20 with your design on it. What Printify is going to do is it's going to charge the customer 10 bucks and it's going to give you 10. You profit that little bit of money in between.